I'm going to be a mini twist girly, and let me tell you why.
This is a week in my natural hair. I'm going to show you the different styles that I'm going to do this week. I did do a fenugreek mask this morning, so I just rinsed it out. So this is freshly washed hair. Today is Monday, so let's get started. I love the diva cut look, so let's try to emulate that today.
Forever is never enough, babe. And we already started late. Don't wanna leave it up to fate.
I get asked about my hair all the time, so I figured since I'm doing mini twists this week, I would share how I do it. This was going to be my first time, but I have lots of tips in doing it this first time that I want to share with you, as well as a little story time about what hairstyle really grew my hair that 1 year. That 1 year, it grew like 5 inches. It was so crazy. So I'll share that with you later. I finished doing 8 flat twists. I'm going to let it air dry for a few hours. Hopefully it looks good in the next few hours. So like I said earlier, I had done a fenugreek mask, which is just me putting fenugreek seeds and letting it boil or simmer in water, and then strain it and then put it on my hair. Used it as a detangler. Then I shampooed, washed, and deep conditioned it. So that's why you don't see me putting any oils or butters in this on this day, you know what I mean? Because it's nice and moisturized. I felt like I didn't need to. And I was able to air dry it for about 4 hours. Normally I have to do it for like a half a day or the next day. But because I was in a hurry, I had a hot date. My husband and I are celebrating our 13th anniversary. I had to kind of expedite the process. And if it didn't look good, I was just going to put it in a bun. But I think it ended up looking great. I love that. You know, when you don't do your normal routine and it comes out and it looks good, sometimes it just works out. So I love this hairstyle. I like doing flat twists to do it. Good morning. I'm whispering because it's like 5 in the morning. But last night I just put my hair in a bun after and put a bonnet on top. Today we're going to do mini twists. Okay, so in this part of the video, I am going to show you how I am going to do my mini twist for the first time. Mind you, I've done twists before, like medium size, but this is my first time attempting to do mini twists. I'll let you know how many twists come out of it, and you let me know if you think they are mini enough. Sometimes when you're trying something for the first time, you know, it's a trial and error kind of thing. But I'm going to share with you not only the tips that I find with doing this hairstyle, because let me tell you, sis, if you are thinking about doing mini twists, I highly encourage it. I highly encourage it. And for me, I was like, if this doesn't look right, I will just take the time to take it down. I know a lot of us ain't got time for that. It was either take the time to take it down or just put it in a bun. So I was willing to do that. But the first tip that I can share with you is to have these like alligator clips. You see this clip that I have, or these clips that I have in my hair? I'll show you again, but as I'm doing the mini twist, because I don't have like a mirror to see in the back of me, I'm using my camera on my phone as I'm videotaping as my mirror. Do you know what I mean? But as I'm doing the mini twist, I am using those alligator clips for like each row to hold it down. Like, you see how I'm putting the clip right there to hold it down, because I can't see, and because like when you're like parting the hair, sometimes you interfere with the twists that you've already done. I mean, I'm not a professional, so you know what I mean. So the alligator clip really helps hold it down, as opposed to the claw clip. I have one in my hair. I didn't want it to make an indent or anything. Do you know what I'm saying, right? I think they're called alligator clips, these long ones that you see. One of the things that I notice so much about doing mini twists, and this could be a tip for you, is that you're going to most likely learn more about your hair by doing it. Like if you're doing it on your natural hair, do you know what I mean? If you're not adding additional hair. Because I found out that, like, I already knew some areas were thinning, some areas were different, but I found out that a lot of areas of my hair is experiencing breakage or new growth. Not sure which one. So one tip that I can tell you is to just be patient and really don't stress about parting your hair in the back. More so try to keep it neater in the front, because people aren't really going to see it, like the parts like that. Because as the days or weeks go on, even with like medium twists, it gets a little fuzzy, a little puffy, what have you. Another thing, I did not braid my hair at first. You know how some people will braid their hair for like an inch and then start to twist? I just twisted all the way. I don't mind a little puffiness. I do mind the takedown. I guess I'm always worried about the takedown. That's probably one of the reasons why I didn't want to do mini twists, because it would take so long to do it. And I will share on the screen like how many twists I have so far, because I was counting. I'm one of those kind of people. But to go back to like being nervous about doing something, I think it is like a natural thought, right? But at the same time, me being nervous about doing a hairstyle in the past, like the 1 year that I did the hairstyle that I was afraid of doing, my hair grew so much in that year. And I'm going to just share a little story time with you about it. So, years ago, I had done the big chop. And as my hair was growing out, I saw people doing twists, two-strand twists. And I'm like, oh, that's interesting. I don't know. And I was telling my sister, because she had done it. I saw her do the hairstyle and I was like, oh my gosh, that looks good on you. And she's like, oh yeah, thank you. And I was like, I want to do it, but I'm afraid I'm going to look like a kid. And she's like, why? I was like, because it just seems like a kid hairstyle, right? And she's like, no, you don't see other people doing twists. And I'm like, yeah, I do, but I don't think it would look right on me. And she's like, well, you won't know until you give it a try. And I'm like, yeah, but yeah, I don't want anyone to see me in two-strand twists. Have you ever had like a hairstyle that you wanted to do, but you just don't want other people in your hometown or in your area? I know it sounds silly, but I was in my 20s, whatever. And so I left it alone. And then there was 1 year where I moved out. So fast forward, I moved to North Carolina and didn't want to move, but ended up moving, right? I stayed there for 1 year and I was like, you know what? If I'm going to do two-strand twist, this would be the time, because no one's going to see me. Like, I don't have that excuse anymore of, like people seeing me with this hairstyle. And so I was like, I'm just going to do it for a few months and see how it goes. Let me tell you, with a combination of other things, right? Because it's not only just one thing that will grow hair, right? Usually it's like little things that will grow hair. My hair grew so much because I wasn't doing anything to it. It was very low maintenance. I know you guys already heard it. I'm just bringing this up because I had that thought again, like, should I do mini twists? What if it doesn't look right on me? What if it doesn't look good? And I was like, I'm just gonna do it, because that 1 year my hair grew so much. It just kept growing. Every time I took it down, like I would do like maybe 12 to 16 two-strand twists on my head, you know what I mean? Not super big, but not small whatsoever. and I would keep it in for a week and then wash it, deep condition it, keep it for like I just did my process, right? Along with a couple other things, and it grew so much. And I don't think it would have grown like that if I didn't start doing two-strand twists. For me personally, I don't like how my hair looks with like braids. Like some people look better with mini braids. For me, I don't like how it looks on me. So two-strand twists were my thing. And that was the hairstyle that grew my hair 5 inches in 1 year. I couldn't believe it. It was just like my hair just kept getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Yes, genetic has a part in it, right? My hair texture has a part in it. But because I never saw that length before, it was the technique, it was how I was caring for it. My hair probably went a little past my shoulders. Like if I was lucky, the back touched my bra strap. So for it to be this length is just me taking care of it and doing two-strand twists. And so I'll share more in other videos, but this is how my mini twists are looking. This is about 104 two-strand twists. Do you think these are mini twists? Would you consider these mini twists?
Give me 3 truths and then I'll show you where the lie is. I always lie. Guilty until I prove your innocence. This just comes with experience. Wanna give love away, but this armor keeps me safe. Give or take, back and forth, push and pull. Sorry, I don't make the rules. Cause daddy told me not to trust no one. Daddy told me not to trust no one. Hey, all I ever wanted was
I think I'm going to be a mini twist girly, and let me tell you why. We just came back from the water park and my hair is like holding up pretty well. I got some inspo from like Pinterest and I was like, let me give this a try. I have about 104 twists that I did. It took me like 3 hours. I don't know if you can see it. I think this is gonna be my hairstyle.
So shout outs to you for spending about a week with me. This is the end of the video. This is how my hair is looking after about 1 week of having these mini twists. It has been so fun being able to go in the pool, being able to go on the beach, just frolic in the sun without worrying about tangles. But look, though, I do need to retwist my hair. I did wash it, but apparently I still brought Virginia Beach back home. You know how like when you go to the beach and sand ends up at your home in some way capacity? That's what happened to me. But anyways, I want to retwist the front of my hair, the nape of my hair, and just call it a day. I did find out, which you might find out more about your hair, but I did find out that I need to do a good deep treatment. And so in my next natural hair video, I will show you my DIY of how I do it. Be sure to subscribe if you did like this video. Let me know down below if you're thinking about doing mini twists. If you already have mini twists, let me know what style you like to rock, and I will see you in the next one.